Hey guys, welcome back to ConfermentRM YouTube Channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day getting ourselves back into the 2-minute Bitcoin video, looking at the technicals of what we've been through and kind of going forward and seeing what we can do now. And, you know, we were kind of talking about the fact earlier in the week, and even last night's video said, hey, double top, because I did notice, you know, we came up here and we flew up, came back up and retested, and we were losing momentum on the RSI down here. As you can tell, we were losing. We kind of came back up, hit the trend right here, and then fell off the table. And that's what I was looking for last night. That's why I said possible 31,000, because we had a possible break that could happen. But the odds were more pointing to the downside, unfortunately. The only interesting part that I'm seeing is that, you know, we're holding above our trend line. That, you know, this has been here since April 9th. It's been here for at least 10 days, this chart, but as you can see, it's had many retests. So we have a nice thick support on the bottom side. So we came back for support, hitting here at $28,570, pretty much almost on the dot, holding above that 786. So I at least am happy to see that. So I'm intrigued to see how today pans out, because we're sitting right above our trend line here and above the one at $28,804. So we go here into our 4-hour, still greatly trying to hold on to it. So what we're going to do is grab ourselves a nice little trend line here in the bottom. Looks like we're going to have to make some move by the end of day tomorrow for the crypto, for Bitcoin. And you'll see the last time we hit the top of the trend here. I actually get rid of this line, grab this one, hit the top of the trend here, and we're either going to get a nice push back up to around that 29,340 or 395, or we're going to get ourselves a break and we're going to hold that 200-day moving average here on that 4-hour chart. We just broke bearish on the 4-hour, 20-day through the 50, and we got constantly rejected from that 100-day. So this is a possibility if we do lose our support here around that 28,700 at the moment. So I'm going to greatly look at that. You know, you're looking at that 786 holding that support in for a wick, and you're looking for that diagonal to be held as support over the long run. But at the moment, you can see how that makes sense. Kind of wicking down, and if this does fail to hold, I would assume we would then be coming down slowly over time for throughout the rest of the week, and holding itself kind of above here around the 27,700 as this 50-day starts to creep up. At least that's my own thought process, because that would be a huge drastic fall here of about 5% for Bitcoin. I don't see that necessarily, because at the moment we're sitting about neutral on the 1 day. So I'm just giving you that little tidbit of my information of what I think is going on, guys. So nonetheless, those are the two targets. We have a short-term one we could probably go off of as well. Maybe, yeah, this is still going to come around the same time with the same sort of move if we were to do something crazy. Still around there to that 28,200 to 28,000 on the dot, to around that 29,300 to 29,390. So just giving you that idea. But all right, guys, hope you're having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Appreciate every single one of you. Remember, don't invest any money you're not willing to lose. You know, use that play money. Don't ever use stuff that you actually need. You know, crypto is a very volatile asset class, and always just exercise caution when trying to do stuff like this, because it's crazy. But all right, guys, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.